broskies. Hello, hello. It's a bank holiday and we are still here. Why? Why are we here? Nobody knows because well, actually, I don't know if you guys see this short. Mamma mia. That's why we're here to catch something like that. Well, guys, I'm going to be completely honest to you. Maria, vamos, welcome, welcome. Look, look. I'm going to show you my fail of today. It's a fail, but it's also. Oh wait. Um, there is a mistake. Maria, can you see my screen or is it not working? Can you hear my audio and stream? Everything is okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. I'm not sure if this is very smart to do. That's okay. Let's see. I cannot do this. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Cannot see my own screen. Oh my days. What am I spectating here? Look, guys, look at this. Oh my days. Look at this short. Oh man, I'm so sick of this. Oh man, I had to do something this morning. So I was trying the shorts here over here because this is. Oh wait, my levels are not all in here. That's actually weird. Wait, maybe like this. Where are my levels? My levels are not in here. Hmm. Let me check. Mm-mm-mm. These levels. And where are my other levels? Okay, my levels are not getting in. But look at this execution. It's horrible. Oh my days. So we had the video of the live of Fabio this morning, and he expects that we are going to trade inside the range. It's going to be a bit of a choppy week, he says. So yeah, that could be good conditions to trade the range. Yeah, Maria, I think the short was kind of from this morning. As you can see, I entered that one actually. It was a beautiful trade from like outside value until VWAP. Um, I I moved my stops way too fast to break even. So from this morning, I made a rule with myself, and actually Fabio, I did that because of Fabio. So I'm very happy with that. I watched Fabio again this morning. You take a trade before it hits 1 to 2. You are not allowed to move it to break even because since I'm trading order flow and you can see so much detail, I'm moving my stops too fast to break even. Okay, we have the level, we have our perfect level marked in the charts. We take a trade, and before it hits a 1 to 2, we don't touch the trade. If it's a stop loss, it's a stop loss. If it's a win, it's a win. 1 to 2, move stop loss to break even, free trade. And then from 1 to 4, you take half off, and the rest you let run, and you can, for example, trail it or something. So that's a bit that's definitely what I'm going to do now, because as you can see, I missed a 1 to 16 plus R trade. So I'm a bit sick of it, but that's okay. That's how we learn, right? So it's bank holiday, guys. Bank holiday. So the market is not opening in 7 minutes, but maybe we still can see some volatility, you know? That would be nice. I hope my audio is working all the time. Yeah, my audio is working, so that's good. It's called anchor work, but no, this must be good. Right. Let me see. So what I don't understand, why is my why are my levels not coming in? Oh no, my levels are not in this. I switched to my New York setup, and my levels are not in here.
Have you known that Bernd Skorupinski is a German speaker? I was not aware of that.
All right, guys, I'm going to switch. I'm going to connect ourselves with the Discord. So let's see. And then I'm going to ask the guys how I can get my levels in the chart without like plotting them out all the way from the beginning. Yes, Onu, bank holiday trading, nice. So the market is not opening in 5 minutes, but maybe we can see some volatility. Volatility. Okay. Broskis, I'm going to connect us with the YouTube. Just that you know. Beautiful. Does anyone know how
we have some buying happening here at the bottom, eh?
Yeah, this is the biggest buy delta
Buy
in the right.
delta, yeah, like what you were saying, Vero, yeah, because it's from the previous session as well.
Yeah.
As well.
Is there anyone that is using Deepcharts and knows how you can get your levels from one workspace to another workspace?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have to press the right mouse.
Oh, guys, one at the one.
Okay, Bishop, it's your turn.
If you just right-click on the chart that you want to import it to, it says drawing tool from other chart, and you just select whatever chart you drew it on.
Yeah, but that's from the charts that you have open. But I have my levels marked in my London workspace, and now I have my
a different workspace.
Yeah, workspace.
I don't think you can.
Maybe I can open my complete workspace, the other one, and then do the same, but I don't think so actually.
What you can do is actually you can save the template.
Yeah, that I think that's
then,
a bit too much effort, you know.
Okay.
No, but if that's the way, but I thought maybe someone knows an easier one. But I don't think that is.
Okay, out of the shop.
Nice one, Ferro. Nice one, bro.
Yeah, out of the short now.
Yeah, do you see what do you see, Ferro? You see some buying happening here?
Yeah, we touched I believe the low of the day, if I'm not wrong. It was here, or was it?
Yeah, it was the low of the day. It was the overnight low.
We are in area with some strong buy delta, and this.
The market's gonna open in 3 minutes anyway, so let's see what happens.
163. on the pipe. Good.
12, 3 minutes.
But we
Is
can
three,
trade
is
or
three,
not?
is
I
three,
don't understand.
is 3 micros big as if you want to open 3 micros?
It's 30% of a mini.
Okay.
I think that was not the question, Bishop.
No, because I come from CFDs, man, so I don't know like the contract sizes if I should be using on a 50k account. If 3 micros is
So
okay.
a micro for every point that it moves up, you make, or no, for
I
every
think it's
tick.
20 euros. For
No,
every,
not on
every, po-
micros.
every point.
20 is for the
No.
mini.
Every 10
No.
points. Every
20.
10
What do you
points.
recommend
Every
opening on a
point is-
50k
every
account,
point is
bro?
50 cents. Every point is 50 cents.
Yeah, every
Every
no,
tick,
every tick is 50 cents.
Every tick is 50 cents.
Yeah,
every
so that's
point
What
is
would you
$20.
recommend on a 50k account?
So that's $20 per 10 points. On
Okay.
one micro.
Yes.
Exactly. yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Mm.
Oh, we're going even lower. Alright. Let's see.
So should I stick with 3 micros or should I a little bit lower?
Yeah, it's a good amount. If you're not used to it, I would maybe start with 1 or 2.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
When you have 2,
Yeah.
you can maybe make a take profit of 1. So you put 1 out and keep on running, for instance. So this is usually how because I usually trade it with my take profits. If I want to have like 2 take profits or 3, I usually put in 1 or 2 or 3 because then I usually put out 1, then 2, and then let the rest run. That's kind of how I see the micro thing.
So I should run with basically 2 micros per account for now, just to get warmed up.
Yeah, definitely.
To get a feeling about
because,
that.
bro, you also have to get used to trade of eight. That's also when you never traded futures or anything, you really have to get used to it.
Yeah,
With taking your partials, how to.
Okay, we're open, boys. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm gonna run 8 contracts then. So I'll run 2 micros.
Can't you use ARTAs with the Rhythmic?
No,
Sure,
not
yeah.
with the Funded Next. Funded Next is the only futures platform that I can use here, and Tradify, I think. But we'll
Okay.
see, man. Let me start. It's my first time trying to face these challenges, so
Nah,
let's
no
see.
problem.
Regular trading hours. Let's see what's going on here.
Well, let's take a look if the gap fill again works, huh? 70% gap fill. Okay.
Where's the fucking view up here?
Where is the gap? I don't see it.
Well, I
Looking
have
for a
no
long,
big
guys,
futures.
or what is happened?
Yeah, there's no bank. The banks are not here, so.
No, there is no volume.
There is no volume here, guys. I'm
Yes.
fine with my trade. $500 per 5 accounts. I'm okay.
Yeah, perfect.
I didn't even get a single big trade, bro. I have my contracts on 50 on ES.
I have quite a lot of big trades popping up, man.
No, but I'm on ES. I have literally no trades. What's going on here, man?
103, 114 now. That's nothing at the end of the ES, huh? That's a little bit going up.
But where is the gap? I don't see where is the gap. Where the fuck is?
The gap is above at 802.
Where
And
the
the
fuck is the VWAP?
possibility to close is 45%
It doesn't
on a
show
day
me
like
the gap.
this. No volume.
We just bounced above the VWAP on ES. I'm looking for longs.
I'm in the long, but I get cooked, I think.
Yeah, there's a big order that popped up at the 790s on NQ. 103 sellers. Not bad, we got some buyers coming in here. Hopefully if it'll hold, maybe we'll see higher momentum. Fero, do you think we're gonna go lower?
I don't know. I don't see anything at this point. Now we are point of control of previous date. If this holds, we can go over. But there is no volume. It's
No, è morto.
a morto volume.
Yeah, but I need to take one trade at least for the thing.
Don't force it, bro. Don't force it. Don't force it.
Cooked. Nah, just for the consistency rules, the daily trades. You understand?
Hmm.
Full portal
Yeah,
margin call. Come on, Giuliano.
Just make one trade for one popular loss or something.
What margin call?
Let's go.
We're gonna get your fucking piece here. What are we aiming for here? We're gonna aim for the value area high of the previous session, from where we are now here.
Right again.
Let's see what's NQ
Cook
doing.
me again.
NQ, there's a nice order on top there.
Oh,
24,790.
you bastard. Okay, it's nothing for me now. Just spectating now. Done.
85
24,790.
trades.
Yes, it's very slow.
Oh,
So
no,
look at that
yeah.
trap.
Yeah. Cooked. Cooked.
Oi.
Cooked.
I get
starting
cooked
to
2 times
starting
now
to
in a
move.
row.
Starting to move.
Same.
Some trap buyers there, boss.
I'm done.
Trapped buyers.
Beautiful session today. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Vale, va. Why does my bar look skew? Am I maybe getting more buyers stepping in? Oh, okay, we have some big sellers stepping in here. CNQ. That's fucking no water chicken there. There's really no volume. I just want one little trade, 10 points, and then I'm out. I had to move my contract
You
sizes
force it
back down
normally,
to
you get cooked.
Yeah.
What's it called, bro?
Just wait for the levels. Let me see. This one. I'm going to open here.
I'm short from that rejection of value area point of control. Stop loss is quite tight.
The fuck?
I may get hooked on this.
Yeah, we have some big buyers stepping in here. Willing to push price higher.
Feather
Make that
shorts.
hook,
Feather
but-
shorts. Feather shorts.
I'm short. I'm short. Nice
Are you short,
risk reward.
Feralicious?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's not decided so far.
I think
Don't go
someone's trying to absorb this, eh?
Don't go and retest anything. But guys, we can trade. When we have to close our trades, I have no idea.
I don't know, man.
I think, guys, CME is not closing. CME is not closing.
Okay.
No, CME doesn't close.
It's just the
CME is
Nasdaq.
always open.
The
Ah.
Nasdaq, the bell doesn't glong because the Nasdaq itself is it's
Ah.
it's closed. But
I think I might take a little short here. This looks good for a short. Stop loss above the 860.
Okay.
We had some
Short
trapped sellers at the top there.
is working, looks like. but
Yeah, I'm in on that. Now how do I add a stop loss here? Do I have to
Yeah.
put a buy? If I want to add a stop loss, do I have to put a market buy order?
Stop buy, stop sell. No, that is a stop one.
Yeah,
It's
I
trade
just
order.
opened on one account just
There we go.
to check, you know?
Come on.
Yeah, because I didn't look at my account here. So
Don't
I have
cook
to
me again,
open a buy
please.
stop, Ferro.
If you are short, buy stop. Yeah.
Okay, va bene.
Oh, these bastard PHPs don't have. Oh.
what the hell?
And my take profit would be. Fucking hell, I don't even know.
24,000.
I have 24,692 my profit. if he goes there.
Okay, I'm looking for 6830 on thingy at 30.
Yo, Kalkan. Welcome, broski. Welcome back. Welcome, Leonardo.
Fuck! It opened me 8 bubble. Duroko was that?
I get cooked now too many times.
Oh no, Zulu.
Yeah, I lost too much profit now, so I'm sitting on my hands. I done.
Are you trading hope?
I traded hope now.
Oh,
2 trades,
no.
3 trades
Oh,
now. Hope,
no.
hope. That was hope, my friend. But it's fine. It's
Yeah.
fine. It's
Same
fine.
Z's, bro. Same Z's.
Yeah. I have done for the day. You're right, checker. You're really right.
16, 2.
If the touch of the point of control the previous day was the manipulation, we will have distribution down. But there is no volume today. It's like so chopped. My God, what is this?
Can turn this off, right? Tack. Trading is now not enabled on my chart. Okay, perfect.
Push,
Okay,
push,
beautiful.
push, 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 push.
This is not push. This is look.
Look, 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 look.
Look.
Are these high levels?
Oh my god, I didn't copy trade my accounts. I only opened on one. Okay, it's fine. Yeah.
Panic soul. Diamond hands, bro. Is there any level we're looking for buys, guys?
692.
Previous
92.
previous cash session low.
Yeah.
Okay. So there maybe I took one trade again and then.
Wat verdomme zeg.
Slowly bleeding.
So we
Slowly
opened,
bleeding.
Mikey,
Yo,
I didn't. You know how on TraderVate you're supposed to group trade, and I forgot to put the group trader on, so I opened 8 micros on one account, bro.
what the? What the? Oh, that's a proper first trade.
Yeah, I mean, if it reaches my take profit target that I'm looking at 6830, it's gonna give me $800. But I think I might no $980. But I cannot go past one account.
No,
$1,000 per day. So I think I'm gonna cut it short now if it gives me anything above 400.
that's good.
Let's see if it works,
It's a
because
good
you
start.
never know with these people. I just love the fact that you can be so much more accurate on futures and actually know where you're going to put your stop loss and where you're not going to put your stop loss. It's a bit slower, but let's see. Where the fuck is 6830 here? Oh, that's quite low. 6830 is the previous day value area low. We have a volume point of control here, which we have to be careful of. Usually Ferro likes to trade volume point of control and be very careful here. Volume point of control must be very careful there, because we have some buying coming in here. Do you pay attention to the volume point of control, or do you look just for the value area low, value area high?
No, point of control as
You
well.
know, I pay attention only to my level. If that touch of the previous day point of control was the manipulation, the distribution has to be down. So I'm not looking at anything now. It has to go there. If it doesn't go, I take my stop loss.
And listen, if I want to break even, how do I break even? Do I just bring my buy stop into profit, eh?
Just
Yeah.
move your
Exactly.
buy stop to your yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, va bene. Okay, ho capito. All right, now I understand.
I don't know if TraderWeight has a
so-
break-even button, but some of the trading platforms have a break-even button, like Deepcharts now. So when you press the break-even, it goes to the level plus some ticks. If you have in Deepcharts, for instance, I have 4 ticks. Is my break-even?
6835 would be
There's
a
a
value
short
area low
going
that
on,
Oh my
guys.
word.
693 is the previous day value area low.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm looking for the value area low of the previous session for me on ES, which is at the 6835. That's what I'm looking for there.
But you have to look the cash session. The cash session is a 693.
Look,
So I
look.
don't know now the other session. Yeah, it can go actually even lower, you know. But that is the
Yeah, I just want to see any of these buyers stepping in here, you know. But it looks like there's some buyers that are trying to step in.
yeah, but that is little scalp, guys. The in between is only noise.
Just when you're in
When
a,
do you move
Wait.
your stop loss error? What's the
No,
point?
I'm still a stop loss where it is. Yeah, I don't take the break even on this.
guys, when you're
I
in a
am
position, you just have to switch your chart to 5 minutes and then just look at 5 minutes. Because then you don't get to like oh, we're going up. Oh! No, it's just the candle.
Sorry,
that's
sorry. How sounds this?
Look, 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 look. Quite cool. We opened at the previous cash session point of control and we just milked down from it. So, and we're almost reaching the value area low of the previous cash session. So let's see if we can start buying from there. But for now,
That
we're
would be
super
nice,
bearish.
man.
Look.
Oh
Look,
my
look,
days.
look.
One level to another, guys. In the middle is just noise. Don't trade in the middle. One level to
Mm.
another.
Hope.
Pussy Perle. Sorry. Viel wienerisch.
Now I'm
Jetzt
ready.
kann ich. Sehr gut.
I moved my buy stop into break even because we've had quite a large buyer stepping in here, so I'm not keen to see this guy get rewarded. If he gets rewarded, I'll actually want to
712,
step out of this
100
trade.
free sell orders, guys. 712.
300 Dollar.
Come on, you can 3 points to my take profit. You wanna go back? Come on. Come on.
There she goes. There she goes.
There she goes.
Give
Come on,
Ferro
come on.
the take profit, please. Give.
Come.
Look.
Look. Look.
I love that shit.
Mogę zęby.
Look. Ah.
Only guys with mental illness here, man.
Tanto questo, vedi. Vedi qua, 6830. We're in a volume point of control of the previous session.
Well, check
But I
us.
just
We're
wanna
looking for a
look
buy.
Regular trading.
Very
hours.
low previous.
You know what? I exit here because without volume it can be a chop day, so can go higher.
Check
From here.
us, guys.
Me too.
Check
I'm
us.
out.
Look.
Jumping
Y'all
forward.
got the
short, guys?
You can also
You
just
come 2 points to my take profit and you wanna go back? Come to me, don't go back.
175 passive sellers again. I'm looking for the 6830s.
Giuliano, can you
Pop
mute
Ferro.
yourself if you're not speaking to the?
Oh shit, my bad.
No problem.
Done. I'm done.
Are you done, Ferro?
Yeah. We touch
Beautiful.
previous tape value area low on the cash session, and I'm done. One level to another.
No, va bene. Best. Bit of a buyer stepping in here, but he's not getting any reward. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, that's not
Yeah.
good.
I would say we see us tomorrow because I think that gets now boring, most likely, because the session is over in 1 hour and 50 minutes. So
Absolutely.
see you tomorrow.
See you,
Yeah.
Costa.
Cheers,
Ollie.
Uli.
Nice
Cheers,
evening.
Uli.
Lucia.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.
At the 621s, what will 621 be? No, babu, aruwa, jela. 6844, that's not good.
Templates. What the fuck?
The zero will pop back into this. Flat. Flat. Okay, cool. Alright.
I missed the buy or what?
Yeah, there's no real volume happening in this market, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Gelano grouping now. So that would be 2468.
No, it will be a range day, guys. There is no volume. This may go all the way up again. It's not good to take long trade.
Well, if you can take from here, from very area low to very area high, and back and forth a few times. So.
Yeah. My level is reached. I didn't take it long, but
Where did it reach? Of a value area low of a previous session, but of a cash
session.
or regular trading hours. I mean,
No.
electronic trading hours.
cash session, just New York session. I don't look long on this New York.
See. I may on ES. On ES, we didn't reach anything. It's just hovering. It's made a value area low, but it didn't reach the previous value area low. That's what I was targeting on ES.
I just post the trade. Desktop. Trade.
Wow.
Yes. On the shorts, I'm unbeatable.
Cool. There we go.
What the hell?
What a day to start trading my fucking funded accounts when there's absolutely no volume.
Ah, there is nothing here, guys.
Oh, we said choppity chop chop.
Jabbity, jabbity, chop, chop, chop.
I had a bit of buying at the bottom there.
Do that.
Go always level to a level. In between, don't trade because it's crap.
Absolutely. You get cooked. You get it put into the blender.
I
Had a
just
retest of, we've had a retest of VWAP now here.
I just post my
Strong
trade.
buy. These sellers didn't manage to back their positions up here. Maybe these guys over here. Let's see. We're at VWAP again for me now on the cash session.
VWAP.
Beautiful trade.
Yeah, on the cash session. I use a cash
yeah.
session VWAP now.
Mm.
That's
Now
what I'm
we are-
hovering around.
Now we are on New York. We WAP a point of control. I bought in the same place. We are here.
Yeah. Four, 6, 8 auto contracting. 2, 4, 6, 8 2 contracts. There's a massive order on ES at 6830 of 240 contracts. I was expecting price to go fetch that at least.
105 sellers also on NQ on 755.
Yeah, I see it Yeah, 755. I see it. And then there's a big 24.6. You could aim for 24.650 if that gets filled. See this quickly. NQ. MNQ. What is the symbol for the micro E-mini Nasdaq? It's MNQA.
MNQ, yeah.
Oh
This
God.
micro.
MNQ, which one?
It's my
You have to search for March 26, I believe, if I'm not wrong.
MNQ micro E mini NQ MNQ.
Where is Greg? Actually, where is he?
I don't know. Where is our level boy?
I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping.
Okay.
There
Hey!
is it.
No, no. You hear me? My mic is 10 miles off mic, but okay, you hear me.
Okay, you're quite
We
good as
hear
well.
you.
These guys are
Better
spoofing the
you
market.
stay away
fucked
from your
up,
mic,
eh?
man.
I was just shutting my face. Okay, guys. You be cooked.
Regular trading hours.
These are also not my levels.
I was busy to set up my combos. I was so busy. Levels? What levels?
No, I'm fucking around with my deep charts. Deep charts. I'm trying to get my levels from my London workspace into my other, but it doesn't work. Mamma mia, not amazing.
Not amazing.
Not amazing.
Dollars
Oh
going
my
up to
gosh.
770.
Come on, view up. View up.
We just broke the New York view up also.
And I'm cooked. If I go to the cooked, well done. I entered at 7/10.
Yeah, of course. Look at the value area low the previous session here.
Let's go. They came back into the range, so probably I don't see it come back. The 740 get trapped there in 700 also. Not much volume. There's big seller at 800. Let's see. It's close to view up.
Connection lost.
Oh,
What
Connection
connection?
lost.
What
What
What range candles are you guys using for this? 40 range for New York, eh? Yeah.
Connected.
I'm connected again.
or just the 1 minute, whatever you. There are quite a lot of different people trading different stuff.
Yeah. What do you trade, bro?
I have the 40 range and the 1 minute open.
Mm.
And the 15 minute and the 5 minute for imbalances and market structure.
Okay, I understand. 770,
not
there's a large seller
really
present
rules.
here.
Just don't be greedy when it's holiday. When the volume is low, though, you cannot jump just in a trade when it's going on without you. So you don't have a chance to jump in then, because it can chop you out really fast. So on holidays, just like Feroz said, level to level, nothing other,
Yeah.
or you get chopped out.
Let's see, Sulu, we're at this level where there's a seller sitting here, bro.
Oh.
Take
But he
780s.
He spoofed his
Big
best.
buyer. No,
best
that's a
piece.
buyer, bro. That got filled. It got filled as a buyer.
No. That
I
was
think that-
107.
Mute me again. Jelano, did you mute me?
I
bro?
can hear you, Craig. I can hear you.
Because I said just I don't know.
I can hear you, mon ami.
Mon ami.
So I say 780s, be careful because 780s, big seller there. If the wall is breached
Yeah.
at 7, we go back to VWAP and then we're gonna see extension 840s, and that's my plan for the day.
Are you in a long now, Craig?
Yes, sir. 710s.
Nice. Yeah, after seeing that buyer get rewarded there, yeah? Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Come on, 80s. Pop up. Yep.
Still this is still going. This is a buyer that's activated at this level. Look, now we have another fill pulling up here at the 780s.
M15 look juicy, bro. M15 close like this.
Another big buyer stepping in here, willing to push the price higher. Wow, and they said there's no volume during this market.
Until now, it's super clean. It's super clean.
Ah, look at that, bro. If we would have bought off the 710s, we'd be clean in profits now. We would clean in profits now. No, ma.
Okay, we approach value area low of today. See some volatility, some sellers kicking in.
Want to see 780s to get hit. And then 800s just on the VWAP. The 4-minute close, the M15 candle in 4 minutes. If she close like this, looks juicy to continue buys to VWAP. It's nice, clean. Let's see.
Snipe trades. It is bank holiday, but to be honest, the short from the VWAP was clean, and then we had our previous session value area low at the 700s,
Yep.
and we directly bounce off it. So until now, I cannot agree to you that it is a choppy session, man.
Not really choppy. Not really choppy.
It is actually very clean. Open was a bit choppy, to be honest. That's true, but that was just for a few minutes.
Let's see if the sellers at 85 is going to protect the sellers that jump in. And you have this 800, and I'm sure if we close back above 44, then some good, very long bullish day. 844, that's reversal bullish for the day. If we get up to there, come on. Let's see. It's a long way to go. It's a long way to go, but I think they tapped the bottom now. I think. Let's see.
All right, guys. Happy trading. It's bedtime for me. Back to
Thank you,
back to
Bishop.
reality. I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Bishop boy, see you.
Good luck, bro.
Trading.
Yeah,
Broski.
wish you the best. Good
I
sleep.
see some trap sellers up here, bro. I mean, trap buying up here, eh?
Trap it.
You take a
Trap
sell and you
it.
cook here, my friend.
Protect all the 80s at home. They have a good protection at the 80s. 80s, 85. Come on, come on, come on.
Some trap it sellers. Big buyers stepping back in. Trap it sellers.
I don't know. Let's go. M15 was clean.
It has to retest the London value area now. From
I
there,
want
it
to
is
try to protect at 770. He's looking to protect. Yes, he's protecting. 85 stores. Let's go.
careful about the 95, 90, 95. That area to be careful.
Yeah, 800 is maximum out. Then CV up. Let's see, let's see. Looking juicy. Nice, nice. I'm only copying 2 accounts. Shit, man. Oh my god. What the fuck are you doing, man?
There's some trap selling at the bottom there. Price is gonna move into the high now. It's aiuto. Bombo clat. Asemana ma pussy.
This area can reject to the bottom again. Careful here.
I'm protecting 61. 24, 761 from my bottom entry at 710.
Yeah.
Let's see. That's all. I cannot do better. It's like getting volatile. Let's see, let's see. Okay.
I think it's gonna go higher, Craigie. To be honest, I think you're in a lovely position. At least to the 24,800s.
It's not accepting value area of London session, so that's why I'm saying be careful, because this can shoot much lower.
Advice for someone who just started learning Orderflow. Watch content of Fabio, Andrea, maybe the bootcamp videos on my channel, and join the Discord.
Absolutely.
And then pay me $5,000 to learn Orderflow.
It's his first day in futures, but just pay him 5,000 euros, everything will be fine.
Yeah, it's 15 and for Mark it's 25, so. You can choose. Let's go, see the 800, please. 800, the big sellers.
What volume filter are we using for this session on NQ?
Today I'm using 40.
Same.
I want to see small activity in the candles. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir. Vamos. Vamos. 800. And I'm cooked for the day. I'm done. What is the consistency rule on Lucid, bro?
What account?
The two, the black one and the normal one.
The
Black
for the flex it's 50%. In
It's
the
not flex.
in the eval, the black. Let me see.
It's a Lucid Pro 50k and Lucid Black 50k. It's a Pro, not the flex.
You don't like to flex, huh?
I didn't say that. I just tried those two. I will take the flex to make you happy. Yeah.
Pro.
Come on, kill the sellers. Yes, come on. Yes, sir. These 44 sellers there get killed at 80s. Come on. Kill.
I think Pro
Vamonos 800.
Pro has no consistency in the eval. Pro you can pass in 1 day,
Okay,
and Lucid Black is 60% consistency.
let's go. Vamonos.
So you can just go. Go.
Go. Look. Oh, guys. Look. I love that shit.
If we go to 850,
hours, we've hit this.
pass the
bang,
both
bang, bang.
account. I'm gonna pass them in 1 day. It was not mean that it's only 2 contracts, 2 minis, 2 micro. With 2 micro, I'm gonna make
Wow, it's
1,000.
gone, bro.
It's gone.
800.
20 accounts, you have copy, 20k. Oh, every day.
Sellers stepping in this area is crucial. If we pass, we go higher. Otherwise, we.
It's always, you see 22s, 23s, always the same guy taping in there. What is good with these 22 contracts?
Yeah, 26, 22, 20. Yeah.
Crazy.
Great for mufferduckers.
Afferducker.
Mufferduckers.
What is that?
End of day. End of day. What's that? Snipe trades, but sucks in Pro the live trailing drawdown. I don't see that, man. To be honest, on the Pro account it says drawdown type end of day, and in the funded as well. End of day. Initial
End
trail
of the day.
DLL below initial trail.
Mikey,
¿Qué pasa, bro?
if I have a sell, right, my stop loss must be a buy market order, yes?
Does that work the same as on? I haven't traded for a long time on TraderVate. Let me open TraderVate because I still have an Apex account active there.
No, what I'm saying is, yeah, so if I open a sell position, my stop loss for the sell position needs to be a market order. And what about the take profit? The take profit also needs to be a buy order, am I right?
Let me see. TraderVate.
So if I have a buy, my stop loss needs to be a sell order, and the TP needs to be a sell order. And then if it's a sell, it's vice versa, no?
Absolutely. You have to be, when you buy 2,
You have to
When
sell.
you want to get stopped out of your position, you have to sell
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
It doesn't matter is it take profit or stop loss.
Okay, so let's say right now we sell. My stop loss order would be what? A buy market order.
Yeah.
And then
And
the take
your
profit,
take profit
would be a what?
also.
Also
a
buy
buy.
market. So it's just basically
Absolutely.
inverted. So when you have a buy, your stop losses will be sell
Yeah.
positions.
Yeah.
Correctly.
Otherwise, you
If I
add.
take a buy, then there's the. Otherwise, you add. Yes.
Correctly.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're right. Because then if you're trying to buy again lower, so you're trying to sell lower, okay, and then sell higher. Okay, cool. I understand. I see a bit of BG weakness here.
Yeah. Let's see.
Siamo a volume point of value area high of this session, Ferro, and we're like a few points away from point of control.
We are trying to regain the value area of London session, and we are in problem to regain it at the moment. Maybe we go. So this area is important.
Difficult.
Yeah,
Is a
bro,
lot of,
bro, it's just a limit order. So if you for example, you buy market, and then you can, but it's nice in TradeOvate, you can just like press in the chart, and then it just says sell or buy. So if you're in the buy, you just press, and you can open a sell limit, and that's your TP then. Did you hear me, Giuliano?
Sorry, Mike, you were saying?
So it's very easy in TradeOvate. If you open, for example, a market buy, you can just press where you want your TP and then do the opposite. Because
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, perfect.
Wow, what's going on here? We're marching back down, like what Ferro was saying. 24,650. $24. There's no ways we're gonna go to 24,650. That's so far down here. What? Mm. 24,737. There's an order chilling here. 37. 24,7. 37. There. What the fuck? That would be the value area low of the session if we reject this area. And Shvera, you're in a short here?
No, but it would be nice to take a shot. Yeah, it's a really nice risk reward on this.
Yeah, because you'd aim for value area lower.
Yeah. We took already the point of control of the previous day, the value area low of the previous day. So these two levels now less important somehow. But we reject exactly the London value area. And this is a point where we can go much lower, but I don't know even if I can trade because the market will close, will not close. I don't know what is going on, but look from that exactly that level. I send you a picture. We have the rejection.
Yeah, on that level. Yeah, I'm looking at it. I can see the way these. That's actually such a good short. After that first seller got rewarded right there at the 24,783.
Take the it's 52 tick stop loss for like 400 more or less of reward. So it's just this area is pretty complicated because this is the point of control on New York and the largest by Delta.
Let's go, El Checker. Let's go. I told you.
It's going, bro. It's gonna hit the VWAP. It's gonna go hit that lower level, bro. Looks good.
You have to go on a live count. I give you the gold. I give you
just careful here because there is the biggest by Delta.
Turtle.
Since we took already some important levels from the previous day, well, I don't know. We may even shop around now. So.
What's the worst thing someone can do? Your son is at work and the modems. The fuck.
Rejecting point of control on New York.
We couldn't hear you, Greg. We couldn't hear you.
I said my son disconnected the modems, the connections.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Hey Dad, are you in the trade? Pulls out all the pulls out all the electricity. Not anymore.
You get cooked. That's right. I told you I want a new car. Okay, guys, but here is nothing to do for me today, so I'm fine. I secured my profits and don't get fucked. much.
You took
So-
profits, Sulu? Because it sounded like
yeah,
you were
today
cooked,
was
but
a beautiful day.
oh man.
Yeah, I'm 3 times or 4 times get cooked, but still 8k up. So
That's fucking crazy. Zulu.
Okay, Sulu, go away
was a-
now. You can go.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I can
Uh,
lose only now. I can only lose now. So
Congrats, bro.
These look like rejection candles to me. Yeah? I'm not gonna lie.
so I wish you a beautiful session, guys, and I
Bye,
hope
Sulu.
we-
Ciao, broski.
for
Enjoy your
tomorrow,
8,000 that you
more
made
action.
now. Bye.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
He need $1 million dollar and goes away.
Zulu.
Bref. Hi.
Alwa de tezo.
So
Ferro, I see a nice little trap buyer here. Eh? I'm not gonna lie, the 24/740s looks promising.
Yeah, guys, he can go all the way down now. That was a nice entry there. Risk reward is really little. That is not accepting the London overnight level.
I'm scared of the VWAP if it
The
decides to
problem
bounce
here
off the VWAP.
I have is we already took a couple of levels from previous day. Market is not close, but I don't know what's going on. Looks better than the other days. Looks better actually than normal day. So I'm scared to trade this. That's the only thing. But I don't know even if I can trade it. Close doesn't close. I don't know what's going on. But all the levels I send you a picture to take a trade were perfect.
they were, man. They were.
There it is, all 3 levels.
Looks good, bro. I'm just scared of the view up here, to be honest. We might get a view up bounce, you know?
Yeah, it may.
I mean, bro, look at this. I mean, the market is moving very clean.
Yeah, it's the best day. I don't know. It's like don't trade, bank holiday, blah blah blah.
We're making it's bank holiday. You need to bank. You have to bank your accounts.
See a little rejection of the view up here. I see a nice little bounce, view up bounce. Perhaps maybe we could go higher into the volume point of control of this one of these sessions, or value area high of the previous session, all the way up to the, up there. That looks good. I just want to see if we get a nice little bounce of this view up here. Looks good to me. I see some trapped selling. I just want to see if they don't get rewarded, because there's a nice little order sitting at the 50s here. Nice little pullback into an LVN. Ooh.
Don't look each candle. Don't look each candle. Take your trade and see where it's going. Because the middle is just short.
Look at those sellers getting absolutely annihilated there, bro.
Yeah, but it can go down.
Can
again.
reverse on you straight away, Ferro. No, I agree. What time did the
The only problem I had it here, it was the short was good, the long was good. Now we took already 2 levels from the previous day. So I don't know now, it can go anywhere or it can just stay in the middle.
Point of control
simply-
just shifted to where we are
yeah,
now,
yeah,
so
yeah, we're at the point of control now.
there's quite a big chance that we're gonna chop. Guys, we had insane moves today.
We're in a nice little LVN now of this pullback here.
For me, we are like in high volume.
We just tapped in an LVN. We just made a pullback into a low volume node. We've had some trapped sellers here. I don't know. I'm not trying to give anyone any financial advice, but we could go higher. It's just a matter of now seeing trapped sellers off the viewer bounce.
The problem is we are super bearish, bro. We are super bearish.
Yeah, that's also very true,
Like-
bro. Like
like-
the bearish is real.
Since last week we are incredibly bearish. Point of control switching lower and lower.
The thing, guy, with the long is during Asia session or London session, we took the previous week value area. We rejected completely from that. So that could be even at the top of the week.
Wow, look at this,
That
bro. This
just
is crazy.
bearish.
Look at how it's going.
Yeah. This is just bearish now, guys.
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
Bro took the trade was the best part to take a trade this week, I believe.
Nah,
Because that
don't want to talk about it. Oh man, I called the fucking top.
that was the top. That was could be even the top of the week, guys.
I don't think so. To be honest, I don't think so. But that's also a bit because of Fabio. Because Fabio did this morning a cash session, and we did so. We analyzes the cash sessions, and he thinks we are super bearish. But he thinks because we had last week already super bearish, and now we are at such a level that he thinks we might see some chop over here before we go lower. But of course it can break. But I think we are maybe gonna even go back to the 25,000s this week and chop a bit around. We have 100 points up, 100 points down.
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah.
I have a level on the weekly that if this was the manipulation higher that we saw in London on the weekly, I have a level that is much below. I don't even. I put in the video, but I don't remember where it is. It's kind of far away, but this looks completely bearish to me. If that was manipulation, the next level on the weekly is a naked point on control, and if, like he does 80% of the time, if not 90. The price goes from one level to a level. If this was manipulation, the distribution will go there. If it wasn't manipulation.
And it was also nice, Ferro, because we also had a very nice sell imbalance at the 7, 8, 9s, and we rejected from there, and now we're moving lower. It's very clean, clean as well.
Oh, that short was legendary, Ferro. That from the top there.
Yeah. That is, the market is, I would say it, I would say when what works on higher time frame works even on lower time frame is, what's the name? And I don't have it. But if that was the move there to the previous week value area and the rejection, if that was the manipulation, the distribution will be much lower. Much lower. Won't happen today, of course, but I at least I hope.
Wow.
Because, this is going lower, guys.
But we're in a value area low again, Ferro. That's the problem now. You'd have traded from value area high to value area low. The
problem for me is not the value area low. The problem for me that since the market should be closed, I don't know what's going on, but since the market is like that, probably we won't move that much. This will go much lower. Then you will see you can take some scalp from value area low to value area high, and so there. But if the direction is that one, go from level to level, and you will be fine.
Oh, we're in a value area low. Now we have a fight. But I don't think the fight is going to win. I think it's very bearish, Ferro.
That is completely normal. But in the middle is just noise, guys. Look, just the levels.
Levels.
Levels, yeah. Now we took already 2 levels from the previous day. I don't know where he wants to go. It's, you know, it's there is not that much volume in this market. Altut is moving really well, I must say. It's almost better now than in a normal day, but there is no volume to maybe go to and the next level. That's what I'm saying, but you never know.
So what's happening in this candle? If you have any imbalances in this candle, most sellers that are looking to protect. Yeah, there's a cluster of stacked sellers here. I can see them. Take a short here. My stops would be right above that candle there at 48. Couldn't break this low. Yeah, but just look at these orders lower. The market's gonna go into these orders here, man. 70 and the 50s.
Bro, I tell you, your trade from this morning, if you kept your trade...
Bro, I don't want to know it. It's 20 R plus. It's 20 R plus.
Yeah, he's super big. This
Yo, bro, you should have taken the shot with me, bro.
Yeah, bro, I was in before you, man. But I was also out before you.
Ah, shit.
Guys, was a 1 to 26 risk reward. 1 to 26. And 900 ticks, which is more or less.
Crazy, man. Yeah.
34 ticks loss for 900 more or less win.
Oh man, I get so really get sick in my tummy from
And
it.
did you just close the short, bro, or what?
Yeah,
happened?
bro, my girlfriend was calling me. She said like, yeah, my parents are leaving. We have to fix some stuff. So I said, guys, I'm going. I moved my stop to break even. Bye. And yeah, it stopped me out, and then it went.
Ah, shit, bro. Yeah, bro. I hold it to the VWAP, but I was still looking lower, bro. But I didn't want it to hold, bro. So
No, but bro, already to the VWAP was a 1 to 10 already. It was so clean.
Yeah.
Was so clean.
Yeah, bro. Pretty shallow, yeah.
I probably
I'm fine.
would not have held it as well. Definitely not. I probably would have gone out at VWAP as well. But after today, that's not gonna happen anymore because we had a meeting with Fabio this morning, and I'm just going to use how he does it. So
Explain.
okay, you see a trade at your level. You put your trade in, and then until a 1 to 2, I think you're doing a bit the same as well actually already. But until a 1 to 2, you don't do anything. You don't touch your stop loss. You don't do anything. And then the moment when we hit a 1 to 2, you only move your stop loss to break even. And then when it hits a 1 to 4, then you take half off. So you already secured 2R. And then the rest you let run until you're like your end target. And that could be like a 1 to 10 or 1 to 15 or something like that.
Yeah. Now he's of course I'm no one to say that he's right, but what I like is more like I try to go to the next level, as you know. So until doesn't come there, or I see something that really I take some profit, like can be the VWAP, point of value, those stuff, of course. But I always try to bring to the next level. So I don't move the stop loss to break even, usually.
That's so good. And when I was trading CFDs, I was not doing that also too fast. But I don't know what it is with futures, but it's different. It's more teasing you to like to touch your trade or something. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, because it's more money compared to CFD.
Probably as well, yeah. Maybe that as well, yeah.
because you look the money, you don't look the process. That's what it is. Of course, you take a stop loss, but if your risk reward is right, yeah, guys, I took this short. It was even from the top where I wanted to take it. Was a 1-2. What was it? 1-2. From here, this 5, and I went all the way down. Let's see. What was it? I went all the way down. That was a 1-17 risk reward. Basically, not this short of this session, but the previous short. From the top up there, that was a super triple A plus.
Yeah,
short.
yeah. It was definitely. It was also from a triple level. So it was around psychological level. It was the previous day value area high. It was also what was it else? A point of control from the 12th. Yeah. So it was like, oh man. But Adri, I'm happy that you took it, bro. I'm proud of you. I swear.
So what do you evaluate as a good level? There can be so many levels. Yeah, of course there are so many of them. I look weekly levels, so value area and point of control, high, low, those, and the daily level. So for example, today at opening, we went slightly higher and we touched previous day point of control. From there we went lower. We had some buyers stacked and some seller rewarded. That was the entry. And my exit was the previous day value area low. Then from here, you could even take the long, because what you have some stack seller here and some buyers like 22, I see here, 25 plus 22, yeah. And this, I didn't take this long, but this was a nice long. And where you go? The previous day point of control, yeah, you can do that, but the level at this point is at least for me, London session value area. And in fact, we went up there, we rejected from there, and we go lower again. So those are the levels that I see. When I'm talking about the trade of this morning, it's just because we went higher, we touched the weekly value area, and from them we rejected. So that was another level that was the best short to be taken, because we may not, if I will trade swing trade, I will take a short up there and keep it all the week. But I can't swing trade, of course.
Why is that not possible at all the at all the prop firms? Huh?
No, prop firm, no.
Phidias,
I believe
they have.
Phidias, I believe you can.
Yeah,
Phidias, I believe you
they
can.
have an account. Yeah. It's quite an expensive account. Also, the deep M efforts zones, they worked today also super well. Beautiful.
I look at delta levels, because what can happen is we may go in value area low and touch those delta, like big by delta there, and reject from there. But the peaks, I don't look that much because I will look at it if I do small scalps, but if I go level to level, you can get, chopped there. So I don't look at those that much. Not anymore.
You don't look.
Look.
Okay, low of today again and previous value area high. Let's see if we break this time, or if we get a bounce again. I think the chance can be.
I may say one thing is, when I start to take trades from those levels, my profitability is increasing so much. I'm not trading any single day. I may skip some scalps, that's for sure, but That's I believe that will be my way to go. This stuff will bleed, guys. I don't know if it will happen today, but this stuff will just bleed. On 50K, I go really low. I go between 2, 3 max, but really max, I would say more London session, 5 micros. But now today, for example, I did 2 trades, and that's all you need, honestly, because I did 2 trades today, and I'm up like $800 per 5 accounts. You don't need to risk so much. Just, you know, if you take long trades, even 2 micros, they are super in a New York session. I believe once I took one trade with 1 macro, it was some days ago, and I did with 1 micro like $700, $800, something like that. So you don't need to put a lot of sides, guys, because when, or at least when I put sides, and I won't do any longer, I don't look the process, but I look the money. So I tend to put stop loss and break even as soon as possible, and so there and so there. So I prefer to have a small size, small stop loss, a big win, more or less.
Love it. I think that's the way to go.
Yeah. You know, if you have a big accounts, you know, because when we trade 50K accounts, we don't trade a 50K, we trade a 2K account. Okay, so you don't want to lose $500, $600, $700 on one trade on a 2K account. So if you have a bigger account, personal account or live account where you have like 70, 80,000, of course you don't go in with 2 micros, you understand? But
Maria, Ferro only looks at shorts. Maria is asking Ferro long? No, Ferro short.
I'm only looking short. No, here I believe any long will be a kind of retracement. So,
Yeah.
because bigger time frame stays short. That's what it is. Yeah, when you trade on the middle, you get chopped out. Just see the levels. Stop loss is tight. See trapped buyers, winning seller, opposite, and take your trade. 2 micros, you lose $50, $100. You may win 4, 5, 600.
Yeah.
It's fine. That's all you need for a day. Don't overtrade, because when you overtrade, you give back everything plus interest. It happened to me so many times. So many times. Then if you're Fabio, you can psychopath scalper, you know, that's what he identifies himself. Then you can do, but I'm not that level, of course, so I'm going really slowly instead.
Yeah, but you know, if you can make $500, $600 over 5 accounts every day, bro, whew,
Yeah, guys.
you do some damage.
You do that every day, guys. You don't need to work any longer. You take a trade. I did a couple of trades today. I'm fine for. I have even 5 accounts, so multiply for 5, you know, and look how much it is. It's 1 month of salary, you know, for a normal person that works, you know, all the days, 8 hours a day. You guys, you really don't need to oversize. Really skip that. I've been doing that so long.
Fabiano, he means, for example, he looks at the cash sessions, previous value area high, previous value area low, point of control. Ferro, there someone's asking what levels you look at.
I'm looking always at weekly level. Of course, I look even on volume of the composite. But if you look the composite of this last week, yeah, because this week is just started, what you see the daily volume profile try to gain the composite value area, and they get rejects from there. So you know what is valid on the daily volume profile is valid even on the composite volume profile. You get rejected from the value area, and from there we started downtrend. So if you want to continue this downtrend, we have to look for first a manipulation higher to a distribution lower. And what happened in London session, I believe was it, we see the price going higher in Asia and London, going higher, and then we tap inside the previous week value area, and we get reject from there, and from there is my short idea for the week. Careful, because we can go and retest that area. It happens, you know. So, but if I will say anything, I will say short. And then I look the daily, of course. So I look this higher time frame to see what happens, and then I look on the daily. So if my idea is short, what I'm looking on the New York session when it opens, I'm not looking for a manipulation higher to go lower. So today when we open, we touched the point of control of the previous day. We rejected from there, usual trapped seller, trapped buyers, seller reward. Enter the trade, and where I go to the previous day level value area low. So I took the short, and then from there we go higher when we reach value area low, and where we go to the London value area, because the point of control of yesterday now is not any meaning. If one of these levels is already been touched, probably they don't have any meaning. So we go to that level that was the value area of London session, and from then we rejected to go lower again. So it's basically some levels that you have to put. It's already on the program. You don't have to do anything. You just have to trace a line there, and you see. Anyway, when the price wants to go higher, it has first to go lower. And when it wants to go lower, it has first to go higher. That's what I'm looking always for.
Nice, Ferro. Very, very nice. So essentially the strategy is to do charting using volume profile, low volume node, value area high, value area low, and on the higher time frame, create a bias, and lower time frame executes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
The bias comes always from the higher time frame. What happened in the higher time frame? We are in this area. We rejected this area. So we may think there is a continuation. And to see a continuation, what you need first manipulation higher to go lower. So that's what it is. Now for me today, we took already a couple of levels from the previous day. So I don't know if these, considering the volume are what they are today, I don't know if these will go anywhere. So we may even stay here, chop a little bit, and just end the year, because there is no volume. The session is cut, there is no big, but was a really nice session. Honestly, it was really nice. Was so clean, really clean.
Ja, dat is normaal, man.
Ça va, ça va? Fabiano, I think the way to go is just check in to the live streams. We discuss the levels, and then yeah, we go from there. Federal shares his levels also in the Discord. I am also showing my levels in the Discord. They are quite the same levels, to be honest. I compared his to mine yesterday evening, and they were like almost identical.
Yeah, the levels are those ones. I don't do anything. The Deepcharts tells you the levels.
Exactly.
I don't.
The thing, guys, for example, with the Fero levels, they are so good. They are so good because they are objective levels. If we plot a profile, everyone sees the same.
Yeah.
So it could be really, really helpful tapping in on the Fero Discord and getting a bias for that because it's objective. Because at the end of the day, I trade with my levels, with my sniper levels, the key levels but those are completely subjective, and I go putting them tighter and tighter and tighter. They are subjective, So yeah, bro, that's the good thing about these profiles, man. That they bring objectivity to the game. And yeah, Federer, you're gonna be rich, motherfucker.
No, but honestly, since I modified a little bit my way of trading, skipping the chop in the middle, because all of us, market is manipulating your mind, not only the price.
Yeah.
So when you are there, you'll see, oh my God, what a nice big green candle. I go for the long, boom, it goes the other side. So it's always
like that.
Yeah,
Always like that.
Always nice to trade just from the bottom or from what you think is the top, or not what you think is those levels. Those levels for me are the top and the bottom. I don't know where is the bottom, top, but so if you lose even a trade, and maybe the price wants to go to next level, okay, you don't know.
You give it another shot, bro, and yeah,
yeah,
bro,
your stop loss is really tight.
100%, bro. 100% agree what you said before, bro. I think we kind of trade similar, and bro, also we just kind of have the same style.
Yeah.
And yes, you just had to, be patient with it, and it's not even like painful patience, it's. If you don't get the opportunity on the first hours of the day, and then just wait, come back at midday, you're gonna have an opportunity. If not late in the day, bro, this price opens a lot of opportunities on these time frames, man.
Yeah, you have just to sit there, like a sniper. You don't have to go and scream in the middle of the war ground.
Yeah.
Taking all the plays short, then long, then left, then right.
Exactly.
Just wait at one place. When he comes there, see what the price does. Exactly. If he does what you think he should do, go in the trade.
Actually, I had the I never buy after a bullish candle. I never sell after a bearish candle. I like to be in the move before. And if
Yeah,
I
yeah.
get stopped out, okay, I was wrong. It was not the reading, not the market didn't give me what I wanted.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's very strange for me to trade a continuation if it's not like crazy volatility like New York or close to New York Open, and you open, okay, you go with continuation and but
No,
if it's not, bro, I never open a trade. If a trade is already reacting for me, I'm not buying after the bullish candle, bro.
yeah,
No
yeah.
way.
No, but the thing is, when continuation is always the problem because the continuation means okay, you want to have some momentum, so the price goes higher or lower, whatever you. So, but the price doesn't do that all the time, and most of the time you have retracement, you have this, you have this. So the best place is okay. I wait to this level, I see what I have to see, I jump in the long. Okay, previous day value area low. Okay, I see this. Trapped sellers, buyer stepping in and getting reward. Okay, I go for the long. Your stop loss is there. It's not subjective. Is there. Okay, if that level fails, stop loss, no problem. When when you are in the middle, it just chops around. Maybe in the end will go your way. You know, many times, and so okay, we'll go there, and chops me 3 times, 4 times, and then goes there in the end. You know, in the end of the day, goes there. So, it's always nice to take the long where you think is the bottom and the short where you think is the top.
At the end of the day, bro, it's for me. I said it many times. It's getting in the move and let aggressive participants fight each other. And if you if price breaks in your direction, then cool. But what's better, me and bro and many guys, we just ride the move, bro. I like to say I buy to passive sellers, I sell to passive buyers, and just ride the wave. You don't get caught in the middle. The middle is just aggressive participants and transactional noise.
Yeah, in the middle is just noise, guys. That's what I noticed. And then if you have deep charts and you look at the daily time frame, okay, and the daily volume profile, I didn't come out like this because I'm a true hero or something. One day I was looking the volume profile and I look, but what the hell? It's going from a level to another level all the time or 90% of the time. So that's why I came from that, and and if you look the volume profile of the daily, you will see that. You will see that clearly. 90%, 80% of the days does that. Does that. So you avoid the chop and everything. You can take all the trend before it's happening. It's fantastic. Really, volume profile changed everything for me in trading. Above all, with those levels, with those big trades, it's fantastic. Really, it's kind of cheat. Somehow, it's kind of cheating.
It is good, man. It's seeing the fucking market of how it is, and the actual market theory, bro. It's so good. It makes so much fucking sense, bro.
It makes sense.
Those are real market mechanics, bro.
Yeah.
Those are real supply and demand, and it's just make fucking sense, bro. It's real market mechanics. It's a fucking auction, bro.
No,
if you wanna go outside, if you have I don't know, a car in your house and you want to sell it, you have to find a buyer, bro. It's the same, bro. It's a fucking action, bro.
Adri broski.
It is like that, bro. It's a fight and an action. Yo, Greg. I was asking for you, bro, before.
Yo. How are you?
All good, bro. Hope
Yo,
you
chill.
good too.
London.
So basically, what the idea is giving, if I buy from this level, I want to take profits on the on a level where then I know there's gonna be, you know, passive sellers sitting. So you buy to passive sellers, you sell to passive buyers, and you play pump the game, bro. If I'm correct, bro, that's my approach.
Ayman, yes, we have quite a lot of people that use the heat map in the Discord. We stream it most of the time as well. So and I actually I start to like the heat map as well. So I might buy a MyFunded Futures account where I can have the heat map of Deepcharts, and then I'm going to experiment a bit with it. Just to see the big fuckers spoofing the market all day. Nice, Arjung. Nice, bro. Deepcharts heat map comes out in March. Yeah, that's true, but it is already available through prop firms. So with Phidias and MyFunded Futures, you can already use it, but it doesn't have like all the features, but it is available. I think it's called Deep Dom, right? No, not Deep Dom. What is it called again, guys?
Deep Dom.
Oh, Deep Dom.
Deep
Yeah,
Dom.
yeah, okay, Deep Dom.
Vol 6 and Vol.
Yeah.
Vol 6 or Vol.
So it is already available, but not with all features. Ayman, yes, the voice channels are behind. You have to become a pro bro to join the voice channels. So we have quite some channels that are just free. You can ask questions in the chats and all of that stuff. But the voice channels, we only want like serious people in like the voice channels and everything. So want people that want to go all in, you know. Like the motherfuckers here in the Discord. The broskies. Trading bank holiday. Everybody is saying like, don't trade it. And this morning we were also talking to each other like, yeah. Everybody's saying no. And we were still there, you know. We were still there. And what did we get? Insane shorts.
Yeah.
Oh,
very
man.
nice short. Sorry, bro, I stopped hitting you. I don't know.
Nice, bro.
Orderflow.
5 lucid accounts. Nice. Don't forget to use the code BroTrading. Not bro. Lucid is BroTrading. How much of discount is there on Lucid? Which well, Maria, there's at the moment I think it's still 40%, so that is quite nice. But which one I recommend, that completely depends on your on what you prefer yourself. I like the flex because you don't have consistency in the funded stage. So in the eval you only have 50%, so you can pass it in 2 days if you want. And then after that you don't have consistency. So if you hit a banger, you can just let it go. Are you related to Francesco? I have no clue who Francesco is, Roski.
It's bank holiday, but there's been some nice moves, fair moves, but they just slow, you know, not the fucking 100-point candles that you always see, you know. It's slow, but it's fair, bro. It's fair, bro.
Juju, let's go, bro. Let's go. They are important, brother. The levels, they are important. That can make or break your trading, I swear.
I can see the levels now. No, those levels, guys, they are just truly amazing.
Yeah.
You know.
Even on a day
It-
like this, they prove themselves. Incredible.
Yeah, it's incredible. It's incredible. I don't believe I came out with that for sure. Many others did, but I noticed those levels looking on the daily volume profile, and they were moving like that. I was like, "What is that possible? Is that easy?" Yeah, most of the time it does that. So they are truly fantastic. Truly fantastic.
Yo, man. This is a crazy, crazy short, bro.
Bro, that short that you took this morning. Oh.
Yeah, could have been legendary, bro. I
yeah,
thought that
it was already
thing in the
legendary,
top.
but yeah, if you
Yep.
would have hold that, oof.
Yeah. I actually was I said before going, I said, "Bro, I think we're gonna squeeze lower, but I'm gonna, close the trade here." I had to go work and yeah, bro. Anyways, for all that choppiness, all the accumulation above the VWAP, it also,
Yeah, that
I
is
don't
hard
know,
to
but yeah, I could have,
hold
could have
through.
easily. Yeah, bro, it's hard, but I could have done it, bro. I would have done it, bro, I think the trade was like when I opened 70 stop loss, then I put the stop loss to $30 and made 500 or 600 or something like that. Yeah, it was a 10. It was 36 stop loss, around 36.
VWAP was a 1 to 11 for me, and where we are now would have been an 35R, bro.
Yeah,
35R.
35.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I was in from 16, 916.
It is possible, bro. It is
Yeah,
possible,
what the fuck?
man.
How the
It's
but
possible,
how
bro.
the fuck? What
My,
the fuck?
I put all my stats on AI. I get more losses, but every winner I get is 3 times my loss. So I end up in having my account in profit, of course.
Mm.
If every winning trade and I get around a 40% win rate, every trade I get is 3 times bigger. The job for me is just filtering out the losses, bro. Having less losses is part of profitability, Sometimes you just don't gotta make more money, just cut losses and be more, and that's actually by trading less.
Yeah, definitely, man. You have to be patient for your levels.
Yeah, but yeah, you have, the risk reward is really important. I'm just looking. Today we had 3 good trades on New York session. I took just one because I took my profit, and I'm fine with that. All of them, mine was a 1 to. The one that I took was a 1 to 5 risk reward, more or less, and was not even the best one, honestly. Then the other one going up, it was 1 to 6, and this one going down, another probably 1 to 6 or whatever. So if you keep, the loss really small, and from those levels you have that, you may lose a trade. I do lose trades. It's not that I don't lose trades, but when you win a lot.
Yeah.
And that is really, really, really the most important thing is that. So that's why you don't have to trade in the middle. You have to trade from what you think is the top and from what you think is the bottom. Then if you lose, okay? But if you catch the top or the bottom, your win rate is enormous. So
did anyone bank some trades, or is everyone got the short today? What happened? I'm seeing how's Bishop done, how the guys done.
I don't know, man.
Been quiet, right?
I don't know. Their Bishop went to bed. He had to wake up at 4 a.m. again. So, poof. But
Karim, I want to reply to Karim on the chat. Me too. I get the idea right, but I have to try 2-3 times. Me too, bro. And it's fair to try 2-3 times. To if you're aiming for a bigger sell-off like today, in 1 or 2 candles when that shit pushes, you will recoup your losses, bro. So it's worth it. It's worth it. But don't. For me, it's more a psychology side. You don't get caught in no emotional tilt, you know, in losing and panicking. I don't even check my balance, bro. I decided to not even check my balance no more. I check it in the day at the end, and that's it. And give it 2 shots per trade idea. Okay, cool. Maybe 3 if you wanna go with less risk. Okay, 3. But if you are trading these kind of moves, bro, you get the profits quick. Recoup the losses and get more profits, bro. If that's clear.
Bro, you wanna know your short from this morning? What was now coming up?
Yeah, bro, around
Bro, I
30,
just
20
I
around,
just
yeah.
checked it. It's a 35R trade. For my entry with my stop loss and everything, it's a 35R trade.
Yeah,
like 1,000 ticks.
legendary.
Yeah.
Could have been legendary, man.
Mm.
However, as my guy Sulu, everyone is a general afterward. At that time, my target was big up.
I couldn't
and
hold
we
that
took
as
the big
well. Yeah, I've could have hold that. Yeah, because I had. Yeah, that's I could have hold that. Yeah.
It was up, bro. It was up. The sell-off was a little bit more up, bro. Yeah, bro, I got it in my head, you know, okay, this 1 loss, 2 loss, okay, if I risk this, boom, 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 but I need to stop checking my balance, you know, or stop checking when I'm in a trade, you know, and that's it, bro. I had a problem this last week where I was getting an emotional tilt, because I was in profit. They say for example, I was 1.4k up, I lost couple trades. I was 800, 700, and I thought, oh shit, I lost. Oh my god, bro. Losses are part of the equity curve, bro. The equity curve, bro. That's not a straight fucking line, bro. It has to go up, down, up, down. Maybe you make 1.4, you go to 800, and from 800 you go to 2k, to 2k, to 1.5, from 1.5 to 3, and that's an equity curve, bro. So you cannot get emotional because losses, you know.
Guys, my family is back. I believe my trading day is finished here. I'm happy with my 2 trades, and we see tomorrow.
Ciao,
Have a nice
broski.
day.
Go,
Have a
Fero.
nice day.
Bye.
See you.
Thanks,
Bye
Fero.
bye. Thank you.
Can I trade GC on Apex Rhythmic account on Deepcharts? Yes, you can, but I think you need an add-on for that. So in Apex, you can buy an add-on. I think it's maybe 5 or a little bit more dollar per month, and then you can trade it definitely. But it is an add-on. It is an add-on. Any news from the Deepcharts monthly subscription? No, not yet. I think it's also not their priority what they said, because yeah, they just want people in there for long term. So AHM, how to do it? Let me see if I can. Apex. Yeah, it's just okay. Let me log in. Let me log in. Seven 799-893. So rhythmic add-ons. So you have Apex open, then you have your Rhythmic account that you can purchase, and under Rhythmic it says Rhythmic add-ons, and there you can select Comex because you need Comex. Let me see, maybe I can see the price as well.
Yo. Okay, sorry.
Let me see. I don't see a price here actually, to be honest. Let's see. Coupon enters not It's $10 per month. $10 per month for the Comex, and I think that will continue also when you're in the funded stage. Yeah, level 1 data is available, but if you want add-ons and everything, you have to pay for it. HM, no, I cannot share my Apex screen, but it's very easy. It's just in there, in Apex on the left side it says Rhythmic, and under Rhythmic it says add-ons, and from there you can buy it. Nice Yeet, nice bro. So also people from YouTube, make sure that you use the right code, because I don't have the same code at all the prop firms. It's in the description below. Apex is bro, and for example Lucid is BroTrading, so make sure that you use the right code. And upcoming Friday we're gonna give away some accounts again. We have to see what prop firm.
Let's go.
We have to see what prop
Let's
firm.
go.
Not sure yet. Is there one? There's one that we didn't had yet. We had Vidius. We had Apex. I think Lucid. We didn't have Lucid account yet, so maybe we can arrange some with Lucid. Lucid Fridays. We're gonna do Lucid Fridays. Ferro, you're banned from the giveaways, man. You make too much money. No, joking, bro. Ferro in the YouTube comments. Oh, Sin. That's sick. Well, we definitely, I think maybe next week or something, Apex. Something like that. We will see. So, very strong level, 700, and also previous value area low. It took some time, but we have a nice leg up now. For me, I just want higher prices. I just want to sell because we are very bearish. These are just retracements in my eyes. So yeah.
Bro, what's the line? Is that an EMA, bro? The thing you got, the line
This
around the PA. Yeah.
I think it looks a bit like a 9 EMA. It's from the deep M effort indicator, but I think it acts a bit like a 9 EMA, to be honest.
Okay.
But it's very nice because, as you can see, for example here, it actually showed if you, for example, entered from that line. Of course, you had a worse entry than that we had, but still, it could be a nice. And then all the way, you see, all the way, even.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here it turned a bit green in there. It turned a bit green in there. But if you're already in this job all the time, then you probably just let it go, and then it became purple again. Purple, 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 purple. And then here it turned green again. So it's quite a... And it happens all the time. As you can see here it was purple, purple, it turns green, up.
Yeah.
It's quite nice.
Okay. Interesting. Yeah.
How do you eat this band? Huh? Huh?
I mean, bro, you can try to eat it, bro. You're gonna have superpowers.
How do you eat this band? Bro, you confuse me, man. Where you from?
How do you say it? How do you set it?
Guess, Andre, guess. Guess where I'm from. Adri, you're not allowed to say it.
From Puerto Rico, bro. Come on. Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. Yeah, you're right, bro.
Yeah, bro, I knew it.
We are neighbors actually, Adri. Bro, actually, right before we went to Norway, a friend of me, he visited, and he just came from Sevilla.
Oh shit.
So he could bring you actually. He could bring you.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. I had I've been in Marbella a lot, of course. So anyways, next time link up.
Somalia.
Next time we link up.
Yeah, I'm from Somalia.
From Somalia,
bro.
yes, bro.
Okay, Greggy's in the longs, of course, from the bottom. Yeah, it was a nice, nice level, bro. Was a nice level.
He's blonde like the 90% of Somalia people, yeah.
Did you do Murphys, Bootcamp and Orderflow Supremacy? No, man. I have no clue who that is, actually. I only know Fabio Valentini. Could you explain the levels? Okay, we can do the levels. We can do the levels. Okay, actually it's very sad because I marked up all the levels yesterday and I had them in my chart. And then this morning I switched my workspace to the New York session, and then they are gone. And we were already started and everything, so I was looking for a shortcut to add them, but didn't work. But we can do it manually. We can do it manually. It's actually very sad because... Okay, let me see. Okay, we're gonna do a bit of levels. We're gonna do a bit of levels. Shall I also share it in the Discord, guys? Do you want to see what I'm going to talk about? Okay, perfect. I'll do it. Let's see. This one? No. This one. Yeah. Okay, this one. Order filled. Who's trading? Who's trading? I think that might be Juliano, because that sounded like Trade Evade.
Yeah, I took a little short off this failed view up setup on EX.
I had you, I had you. I was like, hey, that sounds like Trade Evade.
I took a little short, failed view up attempt from these buyers and sellers stepping right in. So my stops is going to be kind of tight.
Yeah.
I'm not looking to. It's above the 68. I don't know if I want to go up above 68.60. That's a bit too far. I think I might just put it at around the 5.625.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
I'll buy stop.
All right.
6.
In the Discord, can you see my level chart? I think so. Yeah, right.
Level is this? 5625. Yeah, I'm good there. 5625. TP would be value area low of the previous session at 6835.50.
Nice. Alright guys, you all can see my screen. That's perfect.
6835.
Okay, the first thing where we always look at is previous cash sessions. All of these volume profiles are cash sessions. So what do we have here? We have the value area high of the previous day. Value area high of the previous day. And what do we also see? Giuliano, can you mute yourself for a moment?
Sorry.
Thanks, broski, thanks. We have the value area high of the previous day. And this also aligns with the point of control of previous day. And it also aligns with the 900s of the previous day. So this is an extreme strong level. So what I do, actually since this week, I do 3 because it has 3 confluences. It's a round psychological level, it's the value area high of previous day, and it's a point of control of the 12th. So previous value area high, it's the POC from the 12th, 12-2, and it's also a round psychological level. Okay, nice. And this is, guys, you can look into the chart actually in your own chart, and the 900s is exactly also the top of today. So we took Adrian and I took the short from there because we had there an absorption happening, and yeah, from there it's riding now. How many points? Extreme. It was insane accurate. So what we can do here, what I do actually since this week, I copy this one, and because this is the actual value area high, so I have a little bit of a zone over there because it's 20 ticks. It's not too big of a 20 points, not too big of a zone, but yeah, the value area high is a little bit higher, it's 20 points higher. So this is my zone. Right, then we have the previous value area low, it's over here. We have the previous point of control, that's over here. Very important. And then, for example, yeah, I also mark the low of the previous day, the low and the high of the previous day, just to get these levels in. And then, of course, we have here the composite value area low. Strong level, super strong level. If we break into the value area again, we can expect to go up again. But we can also trade back into this zone and start rejecting it again, and then we can look for very nice shorts. And that's actually what I'm expecting a little bit to happen. I expect price to trade a little bit higher, maybe to the 900s, 25,000s, and then we might see somewhere a break to the downside, because as you can see, it's actually quite a bearish structure if you look at price action here. As you can see, we had here a high, and then we break the structure actually, and then we retest actually this low, and now we are trading lower. So if we can break this low, we can expect very low prices. And that was also what Fabio said today actually. What you can do then, that I've never used that, but this is what Fabio says. The move, the consolidation actually that you see here, you can take that and actually just take half of it. No, I cannot, mamma mia, I cannot grab it anymore. That's weird.
Mamma mia, amazing guys, amazing, okay.
You take this one, half of this range, and you can plot that. Mamma mia, that's not amazing. You can take that one here, down here, and statistically, most of the time when we break this low,
Mamma mia, amazing guys, amazing, okay.
Most of the time when we break this low, you can see this move to the downside. So as you can see, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 400 points to the downside. So if you can find a nice entry over there, you can ride it quite down. You can swing it down actually. So that is really nice. So before you start today, get your value area low, value area high of the previous day, point of control. And what do we see happening here again today actually? We open at the point of control, we rejected it, and we had that nice short to the downside. And what happens here again in the bottom? We bounce off the round psychological level of the 700s and also off the value area high of the previous day. So these levels are just insane. Let's see if we have some questions about this. So is that clear for you, AHM? I'm also going to make a complete video about this because this is not... when I'm preparing my week, I have way more levels. I can maybe pull them up actually. That's because those are my levels for the week, and if we have to draw them all in there, that's gonna take a while. Let me see. BroTrading here. So that's actually quite cool because I send it out. Please make a vid. Yeah, I will make a vid about this. I will make a video about this. Definitely. Let me share this screen with you guys. Discord. Yeah, this one.
Oh shit. I will learn how to aura farm the markets like Peru. I just read that, man.
Guys from Discord, I shared this image that I'm sharing now on YouTube on in my channel, BroTrading analysis channel. So you can look it up there if you want. But there you can also see on YouTube, guys. You can now see it on the screen. This is what I sent out yesterday, or was it this morning actually? This morning, early this morning, before the market opened. Let me see. Oh yeah, it was 15 minutes before market open. I shared my levels, and as you can see, value. This is exactly what we just marked up together. Value area high of the previous session. I also had the close of the RTH from Friday in the chart. Point of control. And then this value area low, where we just bounce off of. And of course, the round psychological level, 25,000, super strong level. And as you can see, I also put like all the round psychological levels in there, just because price is reacting to them. So yeah. See, but I will make a video about it, how I do it. Alright, broskies in the Discord broskies. We can switch back to a normal channel. We already have some guys in the lounge. I think they were still there. They were still there, but you can switch to lounge, or you can switch to let's see, live multi-trading or something. Then everybody can just speak again, because now we only have Adri and me, and I think Costa was popping in, but we don't have too much guys, and there's not too much happening anymore. So I'm going to close down the YouTube. So let's see each other in the lounge. I will mute myself now here and see. Right, broskies from the YouTube. I'm happy that you like it, AHM. I will make a video about it so that you can just that it's yeah, it's more clear, that you can look it back as well if you want. But we are sharing our levels every day in the Discord as well. Ferro as well. As you can see, Ferro is known for the Ferro shorts. Last week, I think he took maybe 3 or 4 huge shorts, like huge. It's insane. He just keeps it for the whole day. And of course, we have Greg on the other side. Greg is from the longs, so he takes them from the bottom. So we actually have everything. We have Ferro for the shorts and we have Greg for the longs. That's perfect. And yeah, we also have a lot of scalpers and all of that stuff in the channel. But I support more like the longer trades, just small size and big risk to reward. So yeah, guys, if you're not yet a bro member, I would say join the community. It's free to join. The live channels are behind the Pro Bro subscription, but you can ask all your questions that you have just in the chats, and yeah, we definitely answer them. Let me share. Do you pay to follow the Fabio Val live Q1? No, I'm not doing that, bro. No, I'm not in. Unfortunate not. But because we are going live ourselves here, so but maybe with if he's going to do another quarter, that he's gonna do it one more time, maybe I join, but I'm not in there. Why? What the fuck, David? What the fuck? What the hell? What the helly? Right, guys, thank you very much for participating. I hope so as well, David. If it works, it works. Guys, thank you very much. And I see you guys tomorrow. It was a nice session. Have a great day.